Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include power windows, bucket seats, daytime running lights, pass-through rear seat, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2014 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.